Okay, here's number 18, and it says find f of g, also denoted by f of g of x, if f of x is x over x plus 1 and g of x is 2 over x. Now, it's probably not correct math terminology, but I call this fog of x, and I normally see it written this way with some parentheses. And I find that too confusing, so I'll always just translate that to f of g of x. So that's telling me the g of x function goes inside the f of x function. And then my g of x is 2 over x. So I'm going to rewrite the f of x function and put brackets everywhere that there's an x. And then I'm going to replace the x here with 2 over x. So now, to add these two fractions, I need a common denominator. So this is going to be 2 over x and 2 over x, and then I'm going to add 1 in the form of x over x. So in my denominator, I can add those two fractions together. So I'm going to get x plus 2 over x. And yeah, I changed the order, but you can do that with addition. So now I use the little rhyme, dividing with fractions is easy as pie, flip the bottom and multiply. And some people may call it keep, change, flip, but this is the big girl way to do complex fractions rather than that silly symbol. Okay, so I'm flipping the bottom and multiplying. Now the x's will cancel to 1s, so I've got my final answer is 2 over x plus 2. And we'll go check their answer, and they have the different order, but that's immaterial. And they pretty much did the same thing without the brackets and without doing f of g of x. Now, you can stop if you just want to see the answer, but you can also do this in the calculator. And there's a trick here. So here I have f of x. So we're a rational function shifted to the left by 1. So we've got a vertical asymptote at x equals 1. And this is 2 over x. So this is the reciprocal function multiplied by 2, or vertically stretched by 2. And you'll see I changed the names to f of x and g of x. So if you're in here and say I wanted to make a third function h of x, you can go back across the equal sign and you can name the function whatever you want. The downside is you don't get different colors, you just get this kind of light blue color. So now I can go to a calculator page in the same problem, and I can go f of g of x, and the calculator will confirm for me that I got the problem right. And here we have our little warning, domain of the result might be larger than the domain of the output. Yeah, if we have x equals -2, we have division by 0, and we kind of knew that. So that concludes this video.